Hello, my dear scholars. I'm back with a new chapter from our English grammar book, chapter number 15 Degrees of Comparison. Let's start. Children, see page number 45. Before we start this chapter, children, let's recall what an adjective is. This we have learned in our earlier chapter. An adjective tells us more about a noun. For example, a red rose, a tall boy, a beautiful girl. But when we need to compare two or more nouns, we use the degrees of comparison of adjectives. For example, tall boy, short boy. When we want to compare two nouns, at that time we use the degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, the superlative degree. Let's learn about this one by one. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. For example, this house is big. So here, big is an adjective and this is in the positive degree. Here, we are not comparing this house with the another house. Here, we are just stating the quality of this house. So, this is the positive degree. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people, or places. Children, comparative degree is used when we want to compare two nouns. For example, this house is bigger than that one. Here we are comparing these two houses. At that time, we will use the comparative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. For example, this house is the biggest house in the city. Children, here we are comparing this house with many houses. So, it shows the greatest degree of comparison. At that time, we will use the superlative degree. Superlative degree means the noun, the object which shows the greatest quality. Children, few things you have to keep in mind when you want to change the form of the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Let's see. We add ER and EST to the positive to form the comparative and the superlative degrees of comparison. For example, fast. This adjective is in the positive degree. And when you change it into comparative degree, it will be faster. Just add ER after this word to make the comparative degree. And when you want to change this adjective fast in the superlative degree, just add est. Fastest. Fast is in the positive degree. Faster is in the comparative degree. Fastest is in the superlative degree. So, you have to add er to form the comparative degree and est to form the superlative degree. When the positive ends in letter E, we add only R and ST to the positive to form the comparative and the superlative degrees. For example, large. This adjective is in the positive degree and it ends in the letter E. So, when you want to change in the comparative degree, just add R, larger. And for the superlative degree, just add ST, large, larger, largest. When the positive ends in the letter Y, We drop the letter Y and add IER and IEST to form the comparative and the superlative degrees. For example, lucky. This adjective is in the positive degree and it ends in letter Y. And when you want to change the form into comparative degree, just drop the letter Y and add IER, luckier. And when you want to change the form into the superlative degree, drop the letter Y and add IEST, luckiest. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Happy, happier, happiest. When the positive ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST to form the comparative and the superlative degrees. For example, hot. Children, this is in the positive degree and it ends in vowel plus consonant. See the last letter T. T is a consonant letter and before the letter T, O is there, vowel is there. So whenever the positive ends in vowel plus consonant, at that time, when we want to change it into comparative degree, we double the last letter and after that we add ER to form the comparative degree. Hot, hotter. And for the superlative degree, just double the ending consonant. Make it double T and then add EST to form the superlative degree. Hottest, hot, hotter, hottest. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form the comparative and the superlative degrees. Children, there are few adjectives that do not take an ER or EST to form the comparative degrees and the superlative degrees. For example, useful. And for this word, we don't use ER to form the comparative degree. We will use more before this adjective. Useful, more useful for the comparative degree and for the superlative degree we will use most. Useful, more useful, the most useful. There are few words which they don't take ER and EST at the end. For example, beautiful. More beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparative and the superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. For example, good. This adjective is in the positive degree and when you change it into the comparative degree, it will be better. And for the superlative degree, it will be best. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. So these are called the irregular degrees of comparison. For this also, we don't add ER or EST. We just change the word. We use then with a comparative degree. For example, Mohan is shorter than Ricky. Here we are comparing two boys and Mohan is shorter than Ricky. Here shorter is in the comparative degree and with this comparative degree I have used then. So the word then is used with the comparative degree and we use the with the superlative degree. For example, Rashi is the tallest girl in the class. Here, tallest, tallest in the is in the superlative degree. So, with this superlative degree, we will use the word the and It is used before the superlative degree and then is used after the comparative degree. Understood? Children, in this table, I have listed out a few adjectives and how to form the degrees of comparison. Let's have a look at this. Kind, kinder, kindest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Rich, richer, richest. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Little, less, least. So children, go through this table. It will be helpful to you for solving your exercises. Okay. Okay children, see page number 46, exercise A. Complete this table with the missing degrees of comparison. Children, just now we understood about the degrees of comparison, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, and you have to write these degrees. Let's see the first one, hot. This is in the positive degree, and when you change it into comparative degree, it will be hotter. And for superlative degree, it will be hottest. Just add ER and EST. Yes, what you have to keep in mind? You have to double the ending consonant. Okay, because before this consonant, vowel is there. Understood? See the next one, brighter. ER. This word is ending with ER. So it is in the comparative degree. And if comparative degree is given, first form the positive degree. For that, remove ER. So it will be bright. So bright is in the positive degree. Bright, brighter. And for the superlative degree, it will be brightest. Understood? So like this, try to get these missing degrees of comparison. Okay. Okay, children, see page number 47, exercise B. Write the degrees of comparison for these words. Now, children, here the words are given in the positive degree and you have to write the comparative degrees and the superlative degrees. See the first one, costly. Now, it is in the positive degree and it is ending in letter Y. So, what you have to do, you have to drop the letter Y and you have to add IER for the comparative degree and IEST for the superlative degree. See the answer? Costlier, costliest. Costlier is for the comparative degree and costliest is for the superlative degree. Costly, costlier, costliest. See the 12th one, faithful. Now here we will not add ER and EST to form the comparative and the superlative degrees because this is a long word. So we will use more faithful for the comparative degree and most faithful for the superlative degree. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. So like this, try to get the degrees of comparison for these words. See exercise C. Tick the correct adjectives to complete these sentences. Number 1. Your handwriting is getting good or better. So which is the correct adjective, children? Yes, better. Your handwriting is getting better. Children, here I am comparing your handwriting with the last one. So I am comparing two nouns, two objects. So for the comparative degree, the adjective is better. Number 2, there has been less or least rain this year than last year. So here also I am comparing years, the last year and the this year. So I am comparing two objects, two nouns. So for two nouns, we will use the comparative degree. So the correct adjective is less. There has been less rain this year than last year. One more thing is that children, whenever the word then is used, it means we have used the comparative degree. Understood? little, less, least. Less is for comparative degree and least is for the superlative degree. So try to get the correct adjectives for rest of the sentences. Now exercise D. Filling the blanks with the correct degree of the adjectives given in the bracket. Now see the first one. This basket has the dash peaches. Now in the bracket juice is given, children, but here you have to do the correction. Make it juicy. Juice is the noun and juicy is the adjective. So make a change here. Change the bracket. Do it juicy. And in the first blank, the is given. See the blank. If the word the is given, it means we have to use the superlative degree. So what will be the superlative degree of juice? Juiciest. Yes. So this basket has the juiciest peaches. Understood? Second one. An elephant is dash then a cheetah. Now here which word we have used? Then. And whenever then is used, it means we have to use the comparative degree. So what will be the comparative degree of heavy? Yes, the word is ending in the letter Y. What you have to do? You have to drop the letter Y and you have to add IER to form the comparative degree. Heavier. An elephant is heavier than a cheetah. Okay, so there are 10 sentences, 10 blanks given in this exercise. Try to get the correct degree of adjectives. Okay. See page number 48, children. Exercise E. Underline the adjectives in these sentences and state whether they are positive, comparative or superlative. See the first one, children. The poor woman has seen happier days. Now in this sentence, children, the adjectives are poor and happier. The adjective poor shows that it is in positive degree because in the end no ER or EST is there. So it is in positive degree. And the adjective happier shows that it is in comparative degree because at the end of this word IER is there. So it is in comparative degree. See the second one. This is the least that I can do for you after you have helped me so much. In this sentence, children, the adjective is least. And before this adjective, the is there. So, whenever the is there before an adjective, it means this adjective is in superlative degree. Understood? So, like this, try to get the adjectives and state whether they are positive, comparative or superlative. Okay. So, I will be sending you the notes, children. Take care of yourselves. Complete your work on time. Bye-bye. Good day.